Your tires might be unsafe, and to check tire tread will take you no more than 1 minute. You need to watch this video carefully and take action now, as it can save your life. Worn tires can cost you braking distance, fuel economy, and even your life. Also, you need to know that driving with worn or defective tires can lead to significant legal action in many countries. So today I'll show you 3 easy ways to check your tire tread at home without need for your mechanic or much experience. And number 1, we'll be using an analog tread gauge. Number 2, using a digital tread gauge. And number 3, using the classic penny test. No tools, no problem. Now let's understand first, what is tire tread and why it matters? Tire tread is part of the rubber that makes contact with the road to help your car grip the road and traction for safety driving in various conditions, especially in rain, snow, and emergency braking. Once this part of your tire gets too low, your risk of hydroplaning and blowouts increases. So driving with good tire tread is essential for your safety. In many countries, 1.6 millimeters to 32 of an inch is the legal minimum tread depth, and this is considered as very low. So here is the safety recommendation. Most experts and manufacturers suggest you should replace your tires when tread depth drops to 3 millimeter. Now let me show you how to check your tire tread. Method number 1, analog tread depth gauge. This is simple and you don't need to charge it or change the battery. They are very cheap, so you can get one online at any time. And here are the steps to check your tire tread. 1, insert the gauge into the tire groove. 2, press it flat against the tread. 3, read the measurement on the scale. How to read it? On this tire here, we have around 6.4 to 7 millimeters, which means this tire is still good and safe on the road. But on this tire, we have 1.3 millimeters, which is very low and needs immediate replacement. The best way is to check multiple spots across the tire to spot uneven wear. Method number 2, digital tread depth gauge. Here are the steps. 1, turn the gauge on. 2, place the probe into the tread groove. 3, read the number on the screen. Why this method is great, more accurate, easy to read than analog ones, and perfect for beginners. As you can see here, we've got a clear result of 7.8 millimeters straight away. Digital gauges cost a bit more, but they're worth it if you check tires often. Finally, method number 3. The penny test. This is a testing method that involves money. It is probably the easiest way because you don't have to buy the gauge online. But remember, this method is just a quick check and not as accurate as tread gauges. Most of us have penny money at home that can help quickly check your tire's tread. Now here are the steps to do that. 1, insert a penny into the tread with the head down. 2, if you can see the top of the head, this means your tire is worn out and it's time to replace it. 3, if the head is covered with tread groove, this means your tire is still safe for now. You need to know that checking your tire tread is quick, easy, and something every driver should do. Whether you use an analog gauge, a digital gauge, or even a penny, the goal is the same. Making sure your tires can grip the road when it matters most. Tires are the only part of your car that touches the road to take you to your destination, and driving with worn tire tread can turn a normal stop into a dangerous situation. Spending just a minute to check them can prevent accidents, save money, and keep you and your passengers safe. Now have a look at this last tire here, and I want you guys to guess how much tread left on it. And trust me, some people still drive like this. Some of you don't know or have no ideas about tires, but some people just want to use it more and save money. Why are you risking your life like this? To know more, please check this video popping up next here to see why your tires are wearing out so fast. Drive safe.